everybody, my house had a cold last week, so shit happens. What was I say? Yeah, what am I doing today? I'm continuing what I was doing yesterday, actually, which was I was making legs for a kitchen bench, and I was trying to figure out the angle on from the top to the bottom that would attach to this plate, which I still had to round out the edges and punch 2 holes in for screws or drill, whatever. It's always better to use a big metal puncher you bought for that particular reason, because sometimes the drill is dead, and who the hell uses a drill that plugs in the wall anymore? Nobody. Drill press, that never goes dead. It's plugged into the wall. Anyway, so much shit in front of me right now to clean up. But anyway, what I'm planning on doing is taking this right here, this board, and what I'm going to do is take those pieces and line them up on here and make a jig. So I'm going to get some little boards, put them on here, so I get it all perfectly lined up. And then you'll be able to see me talking instead of just my nose. So stay tuned, I'll move the camera and keep watching. There's that clicking noise. Let's move the camera down like this. So move this out of the way, this out of the way. See how flat this is. My daughters will play with magnets in here. Here we go. This over here in the hole. Just gotta scooch everything under here. Scooch. Is that even a word? Scooch. Freaking magnet under here. Okay, it's pretty flat. I'll put the extra ones over here. This over here. So what we need to do is first draw a line. Hope the hell it's straight. Just even straight. Found the side that's even. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is take one of these cheap unsharpened pencils. Yeah, great. Always sharpen your pencils before you do a video, not while you're trying to do it. Hold on, I got a sharper pencil. Let's see, go this way. Come on. Oh, there's that one. Well, there we go. Sharp as a missile. Alrighty. Now that's wicked sharp. The only problem with this is I need to put it on a permanently attach it to something because it likes to wiggle. I have another one that actually pulls the pencil, but I can't figure out where the hell to put it. It's always around here. I use it a lot. So let's see. I'm going to draw a line on the back here like this. There we go. And while I'm drawing it, I'm going to basically screw everything up. See, I'm going to keep moving the damn thing, but that's good enough. It doesn't be perfect. Now, I'm going to draw. Oh, wait, yeah, I got to draw in here. This would be 10, 20. 20 plus 12 is 32. So we'll put one here and one here. That's it. That's the width of the bench. So now we probably should put this over here. We will draw. Let's see. How long is that? That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. Oh, wait a minute, I don't even know if that's straight. So, no, we're not doing it. Anyway, like this instead. Look like this instead. Put this here. Like so. Make sure it's nice and square. Nice and square. On here, and we're going to draw a line right over here. Line the coconut. There's that. It should be square. I don't think you can see the lines. Let me check. Yeah, you should be able to see the lines. Drawing class. Maybe if I was at, what's his name there? The art guy on PBS with Bob Ross. Maybe more people would show up to my channel. Bob Ross! Just gotta get the crazy hair. We're all good. I don't think he had crazy hair. I think he just had curly hair. Alrighty. We'll continue the line as far as the eye can see. Or as far as I can see, I should say. Alright. This is basically guidelines for it. Drawing guide here. But reason why I'm making this wooden jig, because that's what it is, it's going to be a jig. Reason why is because if I weld over here, there's so much shitter on my bench, I can bring it out there and get some air and do it outside, nice sunny day, which is my big plan. Do some welding in the sun. I would like to put this table on wheels, but that is just not my, no. The dimensions of this, how long are they again? Okay, this has to go in 2 inches right here, see? 2 inches, and that's 2 inches. And basically, these two bars should be identical in length. Should be. Apparently they're a little bit off, but they are 16.5 inches, I think it is. So, let's see if the other ones are accurate. Let's see these. Okay, these are a little more accurate. So this one, and that's the bottom. This is the bottom one. This is the bottom one. Right? Basically, this goes on this line. That goes on that line right there. This one goes near the 2 inch mark, kind of goes in there. So what I'm going to do is basically make a jig for here. And what I should have did is left more space over here, but I could always move it. I'll put a piece of wood behind. Let's see this thing. Piece of wood behind here, so I can put that and just drop it in place. Put a piece of wood here. Block the end off. Make sure it's square. And ta-da! So yeah, that should be like right. Different freaking. Need a shorter ruler. I need shorter ruler. Yeah, look, seems like it's square. That measurement here to here is what? If I remember correctly, that's right about there. Right about there. So we'll take that off there. Then we're going to draw a line right over here and see if it lines up. Exactly what I'm doing. Hear that? Race car. So now, take a tape measure. We'll measure. This is 17 1/4. Yep. Should be around. Nope. It's not even correct. So this one's got to go longer. Longer. Just like this, Christ. Pain in my ass, this thing. 17 1/4. That's 17. That's a quarter. Shit. Come on. There we go. Right about there. That's off by a smidgen. A smidgen of a pigeon. 17 1/4 one's off by a little bit too. Get that nice and whatever. Bring this back a little here. That line's no good. I don't know if you can see my artwork, but artwork isn't that great. Alrighty. Draw a line in there. Okay, that's where it should line up. So this should go this way. Line up there and right about up there. Should. Does it? Not really. And this one should go right there. Line up right about there. So anyway, well, they're both at the bottom line. So anyway, I'll put a block of wood, block them all in here on this side, and I will show you in a minute once I get some blocks. Stay tuned.